Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail caviar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a flavorful liquid, like a fruit juice or spirit, and sodium alginate. This gelling agent is crucial for forming the tiny pearls. Also, prepare a calcium chloride bath, which will react with the alginate to create the caviar's outer shell. Ensure all your tools are clean and ready for the process. To begin, measure out 5 grams of sodium alginate and slowly whisk it into 100 milliliters of your chosen cocktail liquid. It's important to mix thoroughly to prevent any lumps from forming. Once combined, let this mixture rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This resting period allows any air bubbles to escape, ensuring a smoother caviar texture. Next, prepare your oil bath. Fill a tall glass with about 200 milliliters of very cold vegetable oil. Using a syringe or dropper, carefully release small drops of your alginate mixture into the cold oil. The drops will sink and form perfect spheres as they travel through the oil. Maintain a consistent dropping height for uniform pearl size. This step is key to achieving that classic caviar look. Once your caviar pearls have formed, gently strain them from the oil using a fine mesh sieve. Immediately rinse the pearls under cold water to remove any residual oil and prevent them from sticking together. Serve your cocktail caviar immediately as a garnish for drinks or desserts. These tiny flavor bursts add a sophisticated and impressive touch to any culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.